just went in.
No, I'm gonna commentate with you, dear.
Wait, can you guys hear me or?
Yes, wait, please calm down. Okay, they can hear you. It's
I
fine.
am. I am just a little bit
Okay,
late.
we got Timo with the ball.
What do you think is gonna win, honestly? Like, what do you?
Honestly. I mean, we just played Rakuzan, Swedish community, and
Yeah,
Rakuzan is a
Rock is on
strong
top of
team.
shit.
No, Seiho, I don't know about them, but they got boy sauce. That's
But
kind of
they,
the only guy I know.
but dude, they have two centers. That's crazy. Yeah, this is not going that great for them already. Well, okay, I know Hunter. Wait, that's. But I should have played. Who's their PF? You know who their PF is?
The PF.
Yeah,
I
yeah, they
don't.
don't have a PF.
That
Oh my
center jumped
god!
so high, and he still didn't get that.
Damn,
So they got two purple Thanos.
bro, why they look like Thanos, bro?
Yes, they
Is
do.
my stream good or is it ass?
If it's ass, I'll just stream instead.
Someone keep.
Let's just say it's good. Got Timo with the steal. Can't see shit. It's all brick. Let me zoom in. There we go.
Okay, good. Yo,
Bird open.
Sales fumbling. Bro, I'm muting closed server. I'm just putting do not disturb.
They've
Okay.
been they've been
White
giving
boy.
this guy a lot, the ball a lot, like
Yeah,
constantly.
and he's not showing anything. Wait, I
Yeah,
feel like that. I feel like I. Oh yeah, that's a PF right there.
is
Oh
that
my
Kyle?
god, nice, good snatch.
Who's the guy with the
Okay.
horns?
Kitsune. Let me see. I think it's Kitsune.
07? It's
No,
gonna
it's
be.
Yeti.
It's a Jedi.
Yeah, Jedi.
Wait, Jedi?
Okay.
No way, Jedi is
Rock.
spectating. What you mean? He's not
Wait,
playing.
he.
Yeah.
Oh,
Okay. You just don't know the lineup. Did you even check rosters? I'll have to check this for you.
nah. Please.
They didn't even send it. They did. Okay, so Rock is on
Wait, Bird
low.
is lagging. Bird is lagging. Oh
Bird
wait, he
DC'd.
lagged out. Damn. I feel like it's fine though. Oh my god, that skill is disgusting. Damn, he's the last second as well. This is.
Yeah.
I mean, Say was still looking pretty.
Because it's this late into the game, I don't think they should
Oh,
like
Timo with
restart
the
the thing.
steal. Is he gonna force?
I mean they're leading by what,
No, he's
7?
not.
Yeah. They're fine without Bird anyway. Okay, so it's Sano who is Rakusan's PF, and wait, no, Rakuzan doesn't have a PF at all. They're running double PG and double center, or double SG, I mean, and fucking no,
Timo's
wait,
actually
wait, wait,
doing
wait.
decent. Okay.
What the fuck? Oh wait, okay, here. Seiho Center is running double center, PF, SF, and SG, and Rakuzan's running double PG, double SG, and one center.
Double
So
PG is
yeah, it's never
not
worked
that
out.
concerning. Not that concerning. 13-0. Will this be the fastest Mercy?
Nah, it's already too late. Remember Sasusuka?
Oh, shut up, bruh. Bro, be quiet. Like in this league, you know.
Okay, fine.
Will this be the first ever clean Mercy? 21, 24-0. Bird going it ham. Let's go. Yosen got mercied by Echo.
Wait, you saying we got
Hey,
mercied? Huh?
yeah, Yosen. You remember we scrimmed against each other? Y'all
We
don't.
scrimmed?
No, y'all didn't get mercied. We were about to mercy y'all. Yeah, we scrimmed
I
against
don't
y'all.
remember us
Huh?
scrimming.
Okay, off topic. Anyways, clean pass. Passing
Team in the
forward.
corner.
Oh,
He's always that camper, He's always there. on
Yeah.
that corner. Two more
Yeah.
frees and it's
Yes.
over.
What are the centers doing? They have not gotten a single.
Oh,
Oh my
no,
god.
that's a turnover.
Oh, he did. He got the. What?
No.
What is going on right now?
Okay, so Seno seemed to have bugged the ball on accident.
Okay, they got it back or
They
not?
bugged it
Okay, now.
again. Now it should
Okay,
work.
Rakuzan got the ball. Should
There they
they
go.
like?
Another free. What?
Okay, brick center,
Golden missed us?
grabbing a rebound,
He's PGing right now.
passing it up, or not? This is looking really bad.
Bird is just running around with the ball here.
So the centers are really bad right now. I don't know why they're playing so back, but let's see if they
Golden
can
has
actually.
given up from what it looks like.
What is going on? How was that a damn?
Rakuzan is the
Third-
team that's winning, yeah, and Seiho is losing by
mhm, mhm. Yeah.
18.
Will this be the cleanest mercy in
Now,
the history of league?
all they gotta do to stop this is, dunk.
Oh
I
no,
don't
he's gonna dunk.
know.
He's gonna post
No,
us
they
as
give it to
well.
the strongest. I don't know. They're both
And
centers are
they're
really
both
laggy.
lagging.
Golden disconnected. He's back
What are
now.
they doing? Oh my god,
Um,
this is
oh, he
hard to
dunks.
watch.
Yeah.
Really. Oh my god, he really posterized both of them. Damn.
I don't know if you saw, but he posterized the center twice in the same dunk.
Exactly. Oh wait, no, no. Yeah, yeah. Center twice. That's crazy. Center really not having it.
Doing a lot of fakes here, Ferry, with the drift.
Drift too.
That's a
They really
classic.
didn't want that mercy.
It's classic driving in into the drift. It's average OG play. Now everyone's doing it. Crazy world we live.
Yeah.
Okay, Fiery back at it again. He just shot the free. And it's good. One more free. Their center, stunning. Hey, that's against the rules. I'm just saying, hey, someone. I'm kidding. Okay.
The center really.
He really threw that pass.
Center could have really sold there. Oh
See,
no.
and the pass
Okay,
basically in the
clean pass.
corner. They're ball
Okay.
chasing.
They they really don't want this mercy.
Yeah,
Center's kind of wasting full right now.
the Rockets on is just. I don't know what they were doing. They were ball chasing from what it looked like. They're just leaving the shooter open. They have fiery open. Boom.
Okay. Um, I don't really see the formless on their team doing anything special. Convert then. He really danced. Okay, this is a mercy right here. This is why you guys should not run double center. Both the centers did ass. Bird, Bird did good as hell.
Bro, are you serious right now, bro?
I swear I accidentally pressed that. Anyway, damn, that was a quick mercy.